Hey guys, what's up? This is me on a really short tutorial video on how to make your texts fade in and then fade out, like make your texts fade in and then fade out in your video. And of course we're doing this with Shotcut because this is a Shotcut tutorial. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now guys, once we're in the video, the first thing you're going to do is we have two methods to do this. Now let's just get straight to the point. You need to open another video track. Now to make this fade in and fade out, you need to get everything in a transparent video track, a transparent layer. So I'm just going to get another transparent layer from the open other menu. And as you can see, now you need to get this transparent layer in any place you want. Now I'm just going to use down my desktop audio so that you guys don't get ear raped. Now wherever you want your text to be, I'm just going to set it over there. So I'm just going to get it by the 20-second segment. Now as you can see, the transparent layer is set. Get to filters, add the text. This is the main text you want. Now you can type in any text you want. I'm just going to name this test run, getting it shortened. From Verdana, let's get it to extra bold because without that it just looks too weird. So now let's get the fade in video. And remember guys, you have to do all of this in a transparent tab. If you don't do this in a transparent tab, then everything just goes away. I don't know. Without a transparent tab, this is impossible. Without a transparent layer, we got a fade in video and a fade in audio and a fade out video. So let's see what happens. Kids screaming. That was the #1 way how you could have done that, which means you can just add fade in and fade out. Now some of you of course will complain that you still have this black thingy before it completely disappears. So there's another way to do that. For this, what you need is another of these layers. You can get actually any layer you want. All you need this is for a peculiar transition. So as you can see, I just did a transition right there. I'm gonna do another transition right here. So I'm just gonna remove the extra part, and now you can actually get your transitions as per the length you want. Now you can see that with this transitions, it has this fade in and fade out automatically because it's just a transition, guys. Kids, as you guys can see, that was the entire video. I just got this. Now if we do this again, you guys can see that it's done. Kids, that was the two ways you can actually do this. The first way being that you can just get some transitions, and the first way being you can get the fade in and fade out video filters from your place. But the most important thing is that you need to do this on this transparent track, and you need to be on the other video track. So those are the major points, and this was a really short video, so goodbye.